Yeah, I'm grabbing some.
So we're talking about the full build, so you can start at the beginning and say like, came to us without a front end, and you know, we added this, this, this. Devin was the one that worked on it, whatever, like as much detail as you want to get in. More the better, I guess, because less we don't have much.
Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I kick it feet like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I kick it feet like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I kick it feet like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like. Let me get a I kick it funky like. I kick it funky like. Let me get a
We could move, so somebody.
Then there's that Jeep randomly parked. Nobody's helping.
Terrible. Somebody did that this morning already, too. Another guy. Wheeled in his truck just like that.
Like us, it's understandable, but.
My name's Joel. And this is the Bronco.
Alright guys, the 2021 Bronco just finished up. I got Eddie to pull it in, give it a quick rinse to show you guys how it turned out. It looks completely different from when we first got it.
Good ride for you. You're in the Broncos.
So the Bronco we purchased at auction, wasn't really that much wrong with it, to be honest with you. It was missing a few things on the front. There was no grill, no lights, I believe no front bumper on it even, and it had a tiny bit of damage on the passenger side front fender.
We've received this Bronco from the auction pretty much the way it is. We had to do a little bit of body work on this fender, but...
So we repaired that. We put it into the shop. Devin started working on it, and we had a full build on this Bronco. So we got a lift, wheels, tires, both front and rear bumpers, and new headlights. So we're gonna break it down, show you guys what parts we used and why this looks way better than anybody else's Bronco. So the wheel and tire setup that we chose for the Bronco is 20x9 black rhino Kelso, wrapped with a 35 1250 20 Predator XAT. You can see on a lot of our builds we're running the Predators. We've had very good luck with them. The price point's excellent, and they show off very well on this Bronco. As for the lift kit in it, it is a 3.5 inch rough country suspension lift. It's a spacer kit, and you do get a new upper control arm with it. Up front on the Bronco, we got a few things going on that is completely different than stock. So first off, we have the Oracle LED projector headlights. So when the Bronco came to us, it didn't have any lights at all, so we had to get something for this. We chose those. There's great reviews on them. They actually look pretty sweet. So that's what we're running in headlights. The grill, we did go with the color matched Bronco lettering, so that's matching in the white. Then we got the aftermarket rough country front bumper, and then it's got 4 pods in it, and then a 20-inch single row in the middle. So that's the accessories up front here. We still have the scratched front bumper on right now. Like I said in the last video, it's going to be a couple weeks before the replacement one comes in, but this thing is sitting pretty much ready to go now. I think the spare tire relocator is awesome, but I definitely don't like this bracket for the license plate here. It's a bit of a whale tail on the back. Not my style, but it is what it is. At the back here, we have the rough country spare tire relocate slash reinforcement. So we have a 35 1250 sitting up here, mounted on the matching black Rhino Kelso wheel. This one was installed after hours. We finished up the build late one night, and it turned out very well. And then also we have the matching rear rough country rear bumper on the Bronco here. So rear end of it's looking tight. The whole thing turned out awesome, and we can't wait to get it on the lot for sale. I actually really like the wheels. Black Rhino's got quite a few different options, and I think they turned out great for this.
Do you like that they donate to rhinos?
Yeah, and I did hear that they donate to rhinos, and that's pretty cool.